Hi everyone, in this video I'll explain how to carry out the flow table test for fresh hydraulic cement mortar. This test is commonly used to assess the consistency and spreadability of mortar mix. The purpose of the flow test is to determine how easily fresh mortar spreads under standard amount of impact. It is useful when comparing water content admixtures or different mortar proportions. The main apparatus includes a flow table, a specified flow mold, a tamper, a trowel or scoop, and a caliper or ruler for measuring the spread. First, clean the table top and the inside of the mold. Lightly dampen the contact surface and remove any visible excess water. Then place the mold centrally on the flow table. Fill the mold with fresh mortar in two approximately equal layers. Tamp each layer 20 times using uniform pressure. Slightly overfill the mold, strike off the surface level with the top and remove any mortar around the base. Lift the mold vertically without twisting. Immediately operate the flow table, allowing it to drop 25 times in 15 seconds. Keep the timing and operate method consistent for every mortar mix. After the drops, measure the diameter of the spread mortar along 4 directions at approximately equal angles. Record all 4 readings and calculate the average spread diameter. For a standard mold with a base diameter of 100 millimeters, flow is the increase in average diameter expressed as a percentage of the original diameter. For example, an average speed of 133 millimeters gives a flow of 33%. For reliable results, lift the mold vertically, avoid delays, use the same compact and timing for every mix and take the measurements promptly. Always report the exact reading and apparatus used. That completes the mortar flow table test. Subscribe for more civil engineering laboratory practical videos. Thank you.